What does Ascent say?
Oh, this white fella guy thinks you talk to them.
What does King say?
Shut no bitch. Dude, they speak Irish.
Oh
not
my
English.
God.
We mashed up 20 hungry lions and peaked at 30 to fight Ascent for another PKRI.
What does Neil say?
Rather eat your pussy with a ball sack hanging out it. Fucking hoser.
What does Chris say?
Shut up. You drive a girl's truck, buddy. Like, fucking calm down. What do you mean? You got a 5-foot box. What do you put in that thing? Your fucking tampons?
What does Clutch say?
I'll smoke your ass, Trojan.
What does Brad say?
Right.
I have a Harley Davidson.
What does Alan say?
Hello, Alan. What you doing?
Playing Pokemon Go.
But what does Ascent say?
Suck your dick to ride in your truck.
I don't want that.
Oh, well, never mind that.
Come back next week, he might change his
What
mind.
Pokemon are you catching right now?
Squirtle.
I think you should come back and meet the Pokemon Go Center.
Ascent says.
Who? Oh, is that good?
Yeah.
Where's he driving to, ask him?
Where you driving to? Are you driving like what?
I'm already at the park.
You at the what?
I'm at the park.
What the park?
Park?
A park, like the
park.
The park is where the Squirtle is at right now.
Oh, so you're still a nerd.
Yeah, I'm still in there.
Call it mom,
I
go.
still go out, I go to bars, my friends.
Tell him to stop being a little case.
I go
And get on his
to
fucking
bars with my
back.
friends.
Ascensions unite.
Yeah, I've been busy. I guess I'll get on. It's just I'm imagining all the shit I do now.
What?